National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison, central Greene, southeastern Clark, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Xenia, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Wilberforce, Cedarville, South Charleston. In addition, Old Town, Clifton, Bell Center, Gladstone, Selma, South Solon, Lisbon, and Brighton are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.